complicated, but we've gotta learn to take it. Believe that we can make it. We've only got one life to live, so let's vibe and slow down time. There's no need to rush. You're gonna be fine. Why don't you live a life?
Pagkanindot sa huni sa kabuntagon na mga kapuso, tarong buntaga ato makauban Bisaya nga composer o katong nadunggan ninyo baguhay lang mga kapuso gikan sa Lapu-Lapu City, si Eve Anya Abugan. Good morning, Eve.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Can you tell us more about that song which we played earlier? Kay imo man nga original composition, no?
So initially kay ganahan ko mag-create og song para sa mga frontliners kay they are literal heroes sa ato kay they do everything, they risk their lives para lang sa atong safety, and I wanted to make a song na that would help them, calm them in any way ra bitaw. But I also added lyrics there nga makatabang pod sa people in general if they are going through something, if they are in their lowest point in their lives, or if they have low self-esteem na unta they would understand that everyone is different and has different time paces in life, and kanang they should just chill and have fun with their lives as well.
So title ato na song, Eve?
Gonna be fine.
Unsa may tema, unsa may common nga tema aning imong mga na compose nga mga kanta, Eve?
Mostly is kind of hopeful and inspiring. I make good sure nga the song is going to give a good vibe kay grabe na kay panghitabo karon with all the pandemic, overwhelming na kayo sa. I just wanted to make people feel better.
How is it like if sukad nga murag nga post na nimo yung mga kanta ug daghan sad ang mga reactions, mga comments, of course appreciation sa mga tao?
Now nalipay sad ko kay at least kay naman sa mga chat na ko ba nga they felt better sa akong song, they felt less alone kay mura daw na nakasabot pod sa ilahang giagian, and like that was the point of my song, and it's nice nga na-reach na ko na siya nga goal.
What's next for you? Doon na kay plano nga ipang-record pa ning uban nimong mga kanta pag yun?
Hopefully ganahan ko.
We already heard one. Basin
Yes.
pwede pa may mga yuog sample nimo bisalain na song nga imong natagik.
Moon starts to rise, but you're still staying, holding me by your side. My heart falls, then my soul on fire.
In your case, unsay natabang ining imong love for music?
Ako personally kay I'm a worrisome person bitaw, and for some reason ang music, if maminaw ko sa music or if I create music, I'll always feel better.
Finally, Eve, message lang nimo sa atong mga kaigsunan nagtan-aw karon, labi na kay as you have said nga mura gusto ko mohatag og inspiration kanila despite these troubled times.
Whatever you are facing right now, whatever you're going through, always understand that, and I quote, I don't remember kung sino nag-quote ani, that in the end, it's going to be fine. If it's not yet fine, then it's not the end. So just always be hopeful and have faith, and find ways to make yourself feel better as well.
Wow, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you.
Cebuanon nga proud bisdak gyud mga kapuso sa iyang talento. Thank you so much, Eve Anya Abugan.
Thank you so much.